Welcome to another discussion video about security. This time we're looking at SolarWinds. Now, if you have been on Hacker News or any other business or tech website recently, you might have heard of this giant hack from SolarWinds, the company. Now, let's give you a quick background on what SolarWinds is. SolarWinds is a contracting company that's public company who does network management, system management, IT security, database management, so all sorts of IT services that enterprise companies want from them. So it seems to be a very mature, really well established security company where you will outsource your IT management or systems to these guys and they will handle it instead of you hiring your own team. So that makes sense. Now, the thing is, they have a large set of customers. Their customers include enterprise company, S&P 500 companies. Now one of their biggest clients are government agencies and government, agencies like the White House or Defense Department. So it's very, very high security level departments. They employ their service. So if you use a service like that, you should expect that they have the top of the line security protocol. Their software should be audited for the best security and make sure there's no weakness in the system to cause any compromises that might have happened. And unfortunately, that's exactly what happened, is that there is a weakness in their platform, and in an attempt from, I don't know what country yet, I think it's Russia or China, somebody over there, they attempted to hack into the customer's system via their Orion platform. So they are being used as the middleman, I guess, to attack the Department of Defense, the White House, like high level government agencies. So, what is this hack? If you are like, if you're a software engineer in any of the security systems, like that you need to have a really, really strong system in place if you are a company like that. Like, there's really no excuse for them to be overlooking the security. They should be investing a lot of their money and resources into security. But what happened was that this company was compromised, and what really sets me off is the way they were compromised. So here's an article from Tech Insider saying that a security expert reportedly warned SolarWinds in 2019 that anyone could access the company's update server with the password SolarWinds123. Now think about that. This is a big IT firm, and their password for their update server is SolarWinds123. Not even a mixed capital case or lowercase, just regular alphabetical letters with 123. And this is their update server. What this means is that their update server has access to all of their customer servers. So a hacker who compromised this server can theoretically send anything they want to their client servers. And that's exactly what happened. So the hackers were really smart. They actually breached the server, and they remained undetected for months until recently that they were detected. So it was distributed to like 18,000 to 300,000 clients. So this means like not only the government agencies, but all the S&P 500 companies who use their servers might be compromised. Hackers have a lot of information that they can get by when they get access to your server. And this is huge. And as you can see from the homepage of SolarWinds, they're talking about security advisory, an updated message from their CEO about this hack. It's really like there's no excuse for that. And as you can see, like even last year, there's another article about last year, hackers actually conducted a dry run of the breach, like just to confirm that this bug or this weakness in the system is still there. And in 2020, it's still there. And they've been like listening to really sensitive information and data for so long now. So who knows what they already know about, these agencies. And so why should you worry about it? As a regular citizen, we entrust these companies with our information. And when the companies get breached, that means we get breached too. So this is not really the fault of every companies that use their service, but it's really on SolarWinds to. This is 100% their fault because they provided sort of a backdoor for these hackers. And as you can see from their stock price, since the news announced, they went from $24 a share all the way down to as low as $14 a share. So that's not even. I think they should drop even lower. A company like that breached public trust should really go out of business, in my opinion. In a really capitalistic society, once you lose the trust of your customers, you should go out of business and let the competitors who can demonstrate, their competence. They should take over this new market for this service. So that's my opinion. And it sort of bounced back a little bit, but I expect SolarWinds to keep dropping down. And it's just so infuriating to see a company with who's supposed to, you're supposed to trust them, that to have such a weak and lack of security. And that is it for my rant today about security. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and look out for more videos like this. See you guys next time.